Have you ever wondered how to create this arrow graphic without using PowerPoint Smart Art? Stay for this quick tutorial, and you will be able to make it yourself in no time. To begin with, we are going to select the circle shape with the hole in the middle. Do a right-click and select Size and Position in the appearing drop-down to resize the shape. For a clean circle, ensure that height and width are identical. After positioning the circle in a desired spot, you can adjust the width of the circle by moving the yellow point, which appears when clicking on the shape. Lastly, make sure that your circle has no outline. This is important for the final look of the graphic. After preparing the base, we can move on to the arrowheads. For this, select a triangle shape and adjust size and proportions to your liking. Here again, it is important that your shape has no outline. Now copy-paste the triangle shape and position it in the next quarter of the circle. To make sure that the arrowhead points in the right direction, go to Arrange in your upper right toolbar and select Rotate. Now rotate by 90 degrees. Repeat this process as many times as needed. This tutorial shows a circle made out of 4 arrows. Of course, you can simply increase or reduce the number of arrows by increasing or reducing the number of triangles placed on the circle in this step. Once all the shapes are placed, you can align the upper and lower triangle with the circle by going into Arrange and selecting Align Center. For the triangles on the left and right side, Align Middle is to be selected. Now you can add some finishing touches for the exact placement of the triangles on the circle band. When everything is placed as you would like it, select All Shapes, go into Shape Format and select Merge Shapes in the appearing toolbar. In the drop-down menu, now select Fragment. The middle fragment appearing in the circle can be deleted right away. Then, to create the arrows, select the 4 fragments relevant for each arrow and again, select Merge Shapes in the upper toolbar. To create the final arrow, now click on Union. This process is to be repeated for all arrows. Make sure to always select all 4 pieces and not leave out the 2 small triangles outside of the circle band. After this step, your shape is finalized, and you can adjust the colors as needed and also add shape outlines back in if you would like. As always, all shape elements have to be grouped for an easy handling of the graphic. You can now include the circle in your slide as needed. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.